Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing fantastically well. So today I want to talk around not trading and how that can actually benefit traders overall. Now we often think that if we're especially day traders or even swing traders, we must always have something active, a trade on, managing it, whether it's buy, sell, whatever it's going to be. We always think we must be trading to be true traders. The reality is actually not trading is still trading. And one of the big rules I work by is managing all of my assets as well as not actually putting my capital at risk. And the way of actually not risking your capital is not by trading. Now, we all know that every single day we are different people. We feel things differently, we're emotional, we get involved in a number of things on a daily given basis, and therefore it can change our mental and emotional state. The markets are constantly evolving and constantly shifting. We see prices rocket up around certain news events and then take a while to come back down to where we believe the value of the markets are. So things are always shifting. It's a massive dynamic, and to everything to align for our emotional state, our intellectual state, our trading state, all of our strategies to make sure that we are able to actually place good trades and get profits is not every single day. Now, the reality is that if we don't trade for a number of days, we are not limiting ourselves by the profits we can make. The profitable days will come, and when they do come, they will generally be much better, more profitable than if we were spending every single day trying to scrape around, trying to get a fraction of a percent there, 0.5% there, or even some days losses. If we can cut those losses out through bad mistakes and wait for the opportunity to arise, those are going to be our best, most profitable days. Now I get it, we go on social media, we look around what other people are doing, how they are claiming to make massive profits on single trades. We see on Instagram every single day, I made this much percent before breakfast, I made this much money in the afternoon. The reality is they don't show the rest of the days where I'm not making profits or I'm making losses. Now, that's one thing I try and do, is try and be honest and transparent about the days that I trade as well as the profits that I make. And you can see that when I'm not trading, I'm actually actively doing other things as well to make my trading more profitable, whether it's looking at my record keeping, whether it's looking at the data analysis, looking at other strategies I can implement, going back to all of my trading books I've had success reading in the past and rereading them to get more knowledge. So for me, these days when I'm not actually actively trading in the markets, I am using that time as educational, building my trading knowledge and waiting for the opportunity to arise to get much better days and much better payouts. So if you're like me and you sit around thinking, why am I not trading today? That's great. If you're like a lot of the other traders who are literally frantically trying to place trades over and over and over again, sometimes just take a break, take a step back from that, just be real, focus the time of the moment, be in the moment, just be with yourselves and your thoughts and look at how the market is actually reacting to how you're trading and how other people are trading. And if it's not great, stop trading. Take some time back to reflect and come back stronger and better, because no matter what happens, the markets will always be there and they're always going to give opportunities in the future to make profits. So don't waste all of your time, energy and money by trading every single day. Take a break, come back focused, and therefore make the better profits in the future. So I hope that's been insightful and sort of kind of react to some of you guys out there and can take some pointers from this and get direction and become better traders in the future. But if you're one of those traders who loves trading every single day, I get it. I'm with you on that one as well. And there's nothing wrong with that one, as long as you know how to manage your risk, how to manage your losses, and when the days are right, stop and come back better the next day. So thanks for watching everybody, and I'll catch you again soon. Cheers.